Hello children, this is grade 5, block 10 and S1. Life cycle of animals. Topic is life cycle of animals presented by Carolyn teacher. Right, open your reader, page number 64. Just to read after me, right? All living things have a life cycle. The stages of development from an embryo to an adult makes the life cycle of living beings, including people. The life cycle of a bird starts as an egg. Mother bird lays eggs. They sit on their eggs to keep them warm for hatching. In the second stage, the eggs hatch and the baby bird comes out, who are fed by its parents. A baby bird is called a nestling. A baby bird looks like an adult bird. The third stage is the fledgling, when the young bird is able to fly. The last stage is an adult bird. The adult lays an egg to start another life cycle of a bird. So again you read, underline the hard words and write, draw the double margin, write the lesson name, okay, and underlined hard words you have to write as a keywords, write the heading and write down all the hard words as a keywords in your book. Okay, so now here we are going to learn today this life cycle of a bird. Right here, so life cycle of a bird. So when compared to an adult, when you are very small, you need your parents and other family members to give you milk to drink, to give milk to drink and food to eat and even clean you, isn't it? So you needed to be held because you had not started walking. When you grow into an adult, you will be independent and you will be able to take care of yourself completely, right children? So here also when we see a life cycle of a bird, so here see the adult bird lays the eggs, and here mother bird lays eggs, and afterwards what happened? The mother sits on the eggs to keep them for hatching. After laying, it will sit on the eggs for hatching, isn't okay? Now second stage, here what happens? The eggs hatch and the baby bird comes out. So after hatching, what happens? The baby birds hatch from the eggs and it will come out, right? So after coming out, the mother parents, they will start feeding, okay, right? Here they will start feeding. So when a baby bird is too small to leave, see here, when the baby bird is too small to leave its nest, it is called a nestling. So mother bird is feeding the baby bird, right? So here now next one, the third stage is called fledgling, when the young bird is able to fly. Okay, so the third stage, now the bird is ready to fly, young bird it has become. So when the bird is ready to fly, it is called a fledgling. Okay, so now the last stage after young, again see it here, it will turn it will from the young stage, it is ready to fly, that is called a fledgling, and afterwards the last stage is called an adult stage, right? Again the adult bird will lay the eggs and again it will sit on the eggs. Again what happens? The baby birds hatch from eggs, okay? Again the parent bird will feed the baby birds, is called a nestling. Again the young bird starts flying, called fledgling. Again it will grow into a adult bird. So this process is called a life cycle of a bird, right? So here what happens? Birds protect their eggs and nestling from predators' children, right? By attacking them when they come near, right? The process of development of a bird is called its life cycle because it repeats itself. Got it? So here an event that repeats itself is called a cycle event, right? Okay, now One more thing, important thing, a logical thing I'll tell you. Here, pollution can reduce the ability of birds to produce eggs from which healthy nestling can hatch, right? So if pollution is affecting the bird life cycle, it can also affect the human life cycle also. So here scientists find it easy to monitor the levels of poisoning substances in the environment by observing the life cycle of birds, right? So here, so pollution, when pollution is more, it is highly impossible the baby, the birds will not produce the eggs. Okay, now turn to page number 68. Turn to page number 68. See questions here. Write about the stages of the life cycle of a bird. Turn to page number 64. Just you write the stages. Okay, in this paragraph only you are having the stages. Okay, 1 2 3 4 stages, all it is there. Just you read out and write it. Now next one, it is draw the diagram of a life cycle of a bird. So here this diagram you have to draw this diagram neatly and draw the diagram with pencil. Please draw the diagram with pencil, children, and label with pencil only. Many children, when I have seen the books, you are writing, labeling with the pen. That is not the way. You have to label with the pencil and color your diagrams also. It looks very beautiful in your class workbook. So please complete this diagram on the left side of the page and color it and label each and every picture, right? Now we will go with workbook, what it is there in the workbook. We will see page number 10. When we go with the page number 10, here you are having all stages over here. When you see all stages, just you read out the stages, children. And this stages will be helpful as for the first question also you can take out as an answer. Please read out this all. Okay, now go to the question number 2. What physical feature does a baby bird inherit from its parents? So inherit from its parents. So what answer you will write? A baby bird looks similar to its parent, inheriting the body structure from its parents. They have similar body, colored, beak, legs and feathers. That answer you have to write. Question number, now first one only, B. What does a baby bird need to learn from its parents? So what you will write? A baby bird learns how to fly and catch insects from parents. You have to write, right? Now, question number 2. How does the pollution from cars and factories affects the life cycle of birds? Yes, how it will affect when the pollution is more in the environment? Pollution from cars and factories can reduce the ability of birds to produce eggs, right? From which healthy nestling to hatch, right? Healthy nestling can hatch. So this answer you have to write. Complete the diagrams, complete your workbook, complete your class work neatly and correctly. And in question answers also I have given, how many questions I have given for you? Only 2. One diagram and for question number 1. Okay, please do the given work neatly and correctly. Without your parents should not do the work, children. You must sit and do the work, right? Thank you.